Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with another speed build for you. Today we're building set 30663 Space Hoverbike Polybag from Lego City. 46 pieces and a nice little space themed hoverbike, and a little piece of like rock work right here, and a really cool astronaut minifigure in this. Looking forward to seeing how this looks. It's gonna be really cool to build. So let's get to it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my review of the Space Hoverbike from Lego City. Here it is. It's not a bad little build, but what you expect for a poly bag. You get one little brick-built vehicle. I do like the rotating function of like the engines right here. That's pretty cool. And the minifigure is a nice astronaut minifigure available in most of the space sets that came out. And you get a little brick-built like alien terrain with a couple of these crystal pieces in like purple. And it's it's nice for what it is. It'd be good for like a little diorama, build like a little display base for this. It'd be good to have some like to put this on. Can't really say much more than that. And that brings me to the end of the review. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more content. And please consider also following me on my other socials, all of which are linked in my bio and the description of this video. So please go check them out. And that'll do it for today, guys. Keep on building. Bye.